Have you ever booked a hotel room online and then got a big surprise when you opened the door? Oh, trust me, this one's funny and totally true. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, the channel where learning English is fun, real, and sometimes a little embarrassing. So, today's story is called Kamar Double Bed Ternyata Beda, and it's about one tiny hotel term that caused one huge misunderstanding. So here's what happened. A few years ago, I went on a short trip with my friend. We booked a hotel online, right? And on the booking site, it said double bed. I thought, oh, nice! 2 beds, so we can sleep comfortably. Fast forward, we arrived at the hotel, tired, sweaty, and just wanted to crash. The receptionist smiled and said, "Welcome, miss. Here's your key. Room 207, 1 double bed." I nodded confidently. Yes, double bed. But when we opened the door, there it was. 1 big bed for 2 people. We just stood there in silence, staring at the bed. Then my friend whispered, "What? Are we supposed to sleep together?" That's when I realized I had misunderstood what double bed actually means in English. So let's clear this up, because this confusion happens a lot. Double bed means satu ranjang besar untuk 2 orang. 1 large bed for 2 people. Twin bed means 2 ranjang terpisah, 2 single beds. Simple, right? But if you're booking in a hurry, trust me, you won't notice that tiny difference until it's too late. So I went back to the front desk and said politely, "Excuse me, may I ask, what does double bed mean? Is it 2 beds or 1? The receptionist smiled, probably used to hearing that question, and explained nicely. "It means 1 large bed for 2, miss. If you prefer 2 separate beds, you can request a twin room." Ah, lesson learned. And since then, every time I book a hotel, I always double-check the room type, because I don't want another romantic surprise with my travel buddy. So the moral of the story is this. When you travel abroad, especially to English-speaking countries, don't be shy to clarify politely if you're not sure about something. You can say, "Excuse me, may I ask what double bed means? Could you please confirm if it's 1 bed or 2? Or even, sorry, just to make sure, is it a twin room?" These phrases sound natural, polite, and they can save you from a lot of awkward moments. So, next time you travel, remember, a double bed doesn't mean double beds. It means double people. And a twin bed means friendship stays safe. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, and share it with your friends, especially those who love traveling. Because learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about real-life stories, fun mistakes, and unforgettable lessons. See you in the next video, and may your next hotel room have the right kind of bed.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!